My name is Bradley Marshall, and I am studying at college 1 day a week and working 4. I'm currently doing a level 3 in construction and the built environment, as Rob mentioned earlier. Um, but why did I decide to do an apprenticeship? Well, at the end of year 11, I knew that I wasn't too sure on which way to go, but I knew I wanted to do something engineer wise because I actually did work experience at the start of year 11 with my uncle who works in an engineering company. And that definitely kind of put me on the engineering road. And speaking to a few people in there who mainly did degrees, it kind of gave me a rough idea of what I wanted to do. And then I decided that I wanted to pursue engineering further. So I went to an engineering sixth form to kind of specialize in engineering. And then I did work experience there as well, which coincidentally, that company offered me a role once I finished sixth form to work for them. To which here I am now, still going strong. So benefits, I don't know where to start really. I mean, looking back, I don't really regret a thing of my choices. Yeah, it's definitely improved my confidence, as well as I think working with adults as well. It's brought so much more out of me. And we're sat in an office of people that are all fully qualified. I'm always picking up things. And I know you can say, "Oh, you're earning and learning," but I don't think there's a day where I don't pick something new up, or even repeat myself. I mean, working throughout lockdown has been a blessing, really. It's kept me on my toes. I haven't repeated anything I've been doing. There's always a new challenge. Some of the types of things I do could be anything from drainage design to stopping a building blowing over from the wind. It's literally I get paid to stop buildings falling over, and it's a lot more exciting than it sounds. So preparing for horrendous storms, or I need to make sure that if a column blows out of a building, that building then doesn't fall over and can stand up before it can be repaired. Foundation design, and steel section, steel design, so I can decide how big a steel size needs to be, or if somebody wants to have a really nice hallway and have timber roofing on show, I then design that as well. So there's kind of no limits to what I do, and job variety is definitely through the roof. So I can't complain with that. And just an idea of some of the projects that I've worked on as well. So I was actually playing Monopoly the other night with my friends on Zoom, coincidentally, and on the board, the first blue is Pentonville, to which 2 weeks ago I designed a new prison block at Pentonville, which all of my friends found really interesting. So that was nice. And last year, I helped design a lot of the COVID response hospitals as well. So that was a quick turnaround. So we had to fly a lot of those out, which for me was more of a baptism of fire. It was, "Bradley, there's some work. There you go." Which, I mean, that helped massively for me. It was a make or break. And I'd like to say it made me, but I feel like my boss might disagree. I've worked on schools and unis up and down the country, new blocks there. Imperial College in London as well. We've designed 3 large buildings there. And a little more relatable to some of you, I personally have designed a lot of Burger King, Starbucks, Costas, and McDonald's as well. So in the future, any Burger Kings that you go into, chances are I've probably had my stamp on that, which is a really nice feeling, to be fair. So, and then one more as well. We have quite a few projects that are ministry defence projects, and one of them that I've worked on is called Project Neptune, and it definitely sounds like a villain's base out of James Bond. And because it's a ministry defence job, if I tell you any more, I might have to kill you. So yeah, I definitely think I went down the right path. I love my job. It certainly kept me going. There's a new challenge every day, and I couldn't recommend it anymore. Where do I see myself in 5 years? I'd like to see myself fully qualified with a degree, working towards my chartership. Hopefully at the same company I'm at now, Alan Woods. And I'm sure I'll get there with the support, efficiency. I mean, Hannah, I've got Tracy and Nikki as well. They all support me all the time and help me out as well. So I'll finish this year, my second year of my level 3 in construction, the built environment, and hopefully then I'll go to uni and graduate. But yeah, I think the only thing I can recommend is work experience. The 2 work experiences I did definitely shaped my life to then giving me the rough idea of where I wanted to go. And then the second work experience definitely confirmed, yeah, this is it. I'm going down the right way. So yeah, that's it. Work experience definitely to give you the best idea, whether you love it or hate it. And yeah, that's everything. So thank you for listening.